hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 ways to wear dark florals. Dark, moody florals. Anyways, I'm weird. Some of you know this, some of you will learn this. Dark florals are, in fact, one of my favorite prints of all time. Yay! And they are very much on trend for fall, which is probably something that you are interested in more than what my favorite print is. And since they are so very much on trend for fall, I thought it was a great time to make a video on how to style dark florals, in case you're looking for ideas. And if you are, keep watching, because you will get some, hopefully. So without further chatter on my part, let's get into it. So the first outfit is made up of a dark floral burgundy slip dress. Now, slip dresses are actually great for layering in general because you can wear them over a t-shirt, over a tank top, or over a long sleeve top like the one I'm wearing in this outfit. Of course, it's much easier to wear them over a plainer top, but mine has a little bit of embellishment around the neck, but I think it adds a little bit of spice to the outfit. And the top is still dark, so it's not too much, I think. Since it is quite cold and I didn't want to freeze, I added a pair of black leggings, which don't really add anything to this outfit, they're just there for warmth. And I finished off the look with a faux leather black jacket for warmth. Also, I really like the way black leather jackets, or faux leather jackets in my case, look over dresses in general, and I think they're a great way to warm up and toughen up a dress for fall and possibly winter. And because of the burgundy color of the dress, I match it with a pair of burgundy ankle boots. And that's it. Moving on to the next one. In this outfit, I'm wearing a dark floral dress that is more typical. It's black velvet and it has red, yellowish florals all over it. Fairly large print. The obvious way to wear this would be with other black pieces like a black jacket and a black pair of boots, but the only black piece I'm actually wearing with them is a black pair of tights. And I chose tights with a stripe detail because I kind of wanted to contrast the floral print a bit. I didn't want to go for florally tights just because I wanted that contrast. As for the rest of the outfit, I went for something a bit more unexpected by wearing a yellow jacket on top. And I think it still works because the dress is dark, but the floral print has a little bit of yellow in it, and even if it didn't, it provides a nice pop of color, a nice contrast to the red floral print. And to match the warm tones in the yellow jacket, I added a pair of tall brown boots. And we have another outfit, also with a dark floral dress. I think you're starting to see a theme, but it really is very easy to wear dark florals as a dress, and it's my favorite way to wear them. So another dress. This one has a much smaller dark floral print, and I paired this with a bright red jacket to provide, again, a pop of color like in the previous outfit. And there is some red in the print, so it does match it a little bit. The rest of the outfit is much simpler in the sense that I'm just simply matching the black in my dress with a pair of black, maybe it was tights, it might have been leggings, but in any case, something black, and a tall pair of black boots. This look is a little bit different, not in the sense that it's not a dress, it still is, yep, but the dress is kind of more frilly, more feminine, a lot longer. The floral print is very, very small, but it is still a dark floral print. And a really easy way to wear a dress, which I utilized in this outfit, is by pairing it with a denim jacket. Always works, probably. I have not encountered a case when it wouldn't, let's put it this way. And to spice things up just a little bit, I added a wide red belt, also because there's a little bit of red in the print, so it matches that, and paired it with burgundy ankle boots, again to add to the red portions of the outfit and make it more cohesive. And we have come to the last outfit, which is different from all the previous ones because my dark floral print is not a dress. This time it's actually a dark floral kimono. Normally kimonos might feel like they're better for summer, spring, but I like to wear them in the fall and winter too, as long as I layer them up properly. In this case, I'm layering my kimono over a striped top, a bit of a mix of prints in this outfit, but the top is fairly neutral, you know, gray, white, black. So I thought that it still worked with the dark floral print. And the rest of the look pretty much matches those key pieces, except that I added a set of layered necklaces for some extra drama, but my pants are just plain black to match the black of the kimono. I shouldn't be touching my sweater in this case, although it is black, but to match the black of the kimono, and a pair of gray ankle boots to match the gray of the striped top. And the final piece in this outfit, although it would have been fine on its own, I wanted this outfit to be more. So I added a big felt black hat, which works really well for fall winter outfit and matches. And these are all the outfits I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoy them and that you got some ideas for styling whatever dark floral pieces you might have picked up, or maybe are going to pick up. Now that we've gone through the whole video, I should probably introduce myself. My name is Ekaterina, and on this channel I post a video every Friday related to fashion, style, nail. If you like that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. If you like this particular video, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And before I leave you, I wanted to share something positive from my day, like I've been doing for a while. And that positive thing is going to be that we have some truly lovely autumn coloring going out. I'm probably going to take a walk later in the day to enjoy it better. So please share something positive from your day, big or small, in the comments below. I would love to read it. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!